Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allah says in Surah Al-Luqman, verse number 10, I created the sky. Allah said in the Holy Quran, I created the sky. খুঁটি বিনে Allah again said, I created the sky. The sky you see. The sky you see. Allah further says, I have set up mountains on the earth. Allahu Akbar. Allah further says, I have set up mountains on the earth. Allahu Akbar. I have spread out creatures. I have spread out creatures. I salute the thunder and bring forth the best crops. Allah says, Allah says, this is my creation. Allah says, this is my creation. Man cannot create 7 heavens. Man cannot create 7 heavens. I am a sinful person. I am a sinful person. I said from the Quran, from the Holy Quran.